Imagine being able to create your desired reality, not just during the day, but also at night. This is the power of manifesting, a technique of matching your thoughts with your intentions. But how does sleep help you manifest? And why is it so important to do it before you fall asleep? Sleep is a natural state of relaxation and healing. When you sleep, your body and mind are rejuvenated and refreshed. This makes you more receptive to positive energy and less resistant to negative energy. Sleep is also a bridge between your conscious and subconscious mind. When you sleep, your conscious mind is resting and your subconscious mind is active. Your subconscious mind is where your manifesting power comes from, as it stores your beliefs, memories, emotions, and habits. By influencing your subconscious mind with your desire, you can change your reality. Sleep is also a gateway to your dreams. Your dreams are a direct connection to your subconscious mind, where your desires and intentions are stored. By paying attention to your dreams, you can get insights and guidance from the universe on how to manifest your desire. You can also use your dreams as a tool to visualize and feel your desire, as if it is already yours. In this video, you will learn how to manifest while you sleep with these proven tips. Preparation. Before you sleep, you need to prepare your mind and body for a restful night. Here are some ways to do that. Soothe your soul. Enjoy activities that calm your mind and body, such as meditation, a warm bath, or soothing music. This will help you relax and prepare for a restful night. Be present. Bring your attention to the present moment. Breathe deeply and slowly, letting go of any worries or distractions. Focus on your body and your surroundings and feel the peace within you. Practice gratitude. Express gratitude for the abundance of your life, shifting your focus from what you lack to what you have. Feel the appreciation in your heart and say thank you to the universe for all the blessings in your life. Sense of manifestation. Let the fragrance of essential oils enhance your manifestation. Choose oils that match your intention, such as lavender for relaxation, peppermint for energy, or rosemary for clarity. Diffuse them in your bedroom or apply them to your pillow or skin. Visualization. As you drift off, you need to visualize your desire as if it is already yours. Here are some ways to do that. Visualize your desire. Imagine yourself having, doing, or being what you want. See it in vivid detail, using all your senses. Feel the emotions of joy, satisfaction, and fulfillment that come with your desire. Dreams as catalysts. Your dreams are the key to manifesting. Keep a journal by your bed and record your dreams every morning. Look for patterns and symbols that reveal your desires and intentions. Use subliminal music. You can listen to subliminal music that contains positive messages and frequencies that align with your desire. These messages will bypass your conscious mind and reach your subconscious mind, reinforcing your manifestation. You can find subliminal music on YouTube or other platforms. Affirmation. You need to affirm your desire with positive statements that declare it as true. Here are some ways to do that. Affirmations in the silence. Use the power of positive affirmations to reinforce your manifestation. Make your own or use ready-made statements such as, "I am worthy of success," or "I attract abundance." Repeat them silently or aloud before you sleep and after you wake up. Write affirmations on a pillow. You can write affirmations on a piece of paper and place it under your pillow. This will help you connect with your desire as you sleep and wake up. You can also read the affirmations before and after sleeping. Detachment. You need to detach from your desire and trust the universe to deliver it to you. Here are some ways to do that. Detach from your desire. Don't obsess over your desire or worry about how it will come true. Trust that the universe is working on your behalf and that everything will happen at the right time and in the right way. Let go and surrender to the flow. The power of manifesting. Remember that manifesting is not a mysterious technique, but a conscious alignment of thoughts and actions with your deepest dreams. By manifesting while you sleep, you can tap into your subconscious mind and create your desired reality. Now you have learned how to manifest while you sleep with these proven tips. By following these steps, you can tap into your subconscious mind and create your desired reality. Remember that manifesting is not a mysterious technique, but a conscious alignment of thoughts and actions with your deepest dreams. By manifesting while you sleep, you can make your dreams come true. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful.